Hey, what's up, my people? How you doing? I'd like to talk to you about something, okay? And I'm a very private person. I usually don't talk about things and, you know, just kind of keeping myself and work them out. But lately, I've been having these dreams, okay? And I've been doing like meditation and stuff like that. And, trying to get to sleep. And I've been having these dreams waking me up in the middle of the night, 3, 4 a.m. in the morning. I couldn't go back to sleep. Sometimes 2, but mainly 3, 4 o'clock. And I couldn't figure out what it was. And in the dream, I am at different ages. I'm a young man, and then sometimes I'm a little kid. And that's what I want to talk to you about, the dream. Okay, as well as two other things. One of them I want to talk to you about that I wrote. I'm looking down at my notes because I don't want to jab on and get off topic. One of them I want to talk about is the phrase forget and forgive. And the other I want to talk to you about is the sharp person complex. And it probably shock you when you realize you may be dealing with some type of people like this in your life. But okay, first of all, the bad dreams. Okay, so I'm having these in these dreams. These people, one was a family member, and one of them was a friend. I believe, yeah, one of them was a friend. One or two of them were friends, and it was different. It's one dream, but it's different segments. And one of them, when I'm younger, I'm a kid. This person is saying these negative things to me, and I couldn't figure out why am I hearing this, and they were being controlling and saying stuff such as, no one will, no one's ever gonna care for you, or no one is, you'll never be a man, you know, uh, no one's ever want to date you, you know, just really negative stuff. Like, you'll never amount to anything. And I was just like, why is this coming from this family member? Why is this? And then there was some other negative stuff that came from friends, said stuff. And it was almost like, the stuff they said was almost double worded. Okay, it's kind of like someone saying, I hope you have a nice day. But you know what I'm saying? But they're not saying I hope you have a nice day. So that was coming from friends, but and I couldn't figure out in my mind, and it was just waking me up, and I'm arguing with this person, and getting this person even got physical with me and hit me a couple times in the dream. And one time they tried. Last dream they tried, but I gained strength and I held their hand, and they couldn't, and they were shocked that they couldn't, and I couldn't figure out why. So I was meditating and praying, and I do believe in God. Okay, I'm not really a religious person. Okay, more spiritual, but I do believe in God. Okay, I'm not trying to offend anybody out there. Um, and I'm meditating and praying. Cause I was like, okay, this is costing me, give me a hard time at work. I'm sleepy, I'm tired, and I'm waking up, and I'm being able to really go back to sleep, and it's just, and the dream is so vivid, it's real. It's like real life. Have you ever had those dreams where it's like really happening, even though it's a dream, but it's so vivid and clear and bright that you see it. And I'm praying, and then I realized that, to my shock, I guess my mind was trying to do some house cleaning or something. And I realized, to my shock, it came to me, I guess I put it out of my mind, that those things were said to me when I was younger. Okay, when I was a kid. Those things were said to me. And as well as other things were done. And I realized that the people that said it to me or did it, it had been done to them. And I don't know if they were consciously or unconsciously repeating a pattern. They probably didn't even know they were repeating. And what I'm here to tell you is I had to clear my mind and my body. And once I dealt with that pain and the anger, then I was able to understand better kind of what happened and how, yeah, that's a lie. It was a lie, but was a, was how they were trained. It was how they were treated. So unconsciously or consciously, it was what they knew to do to try to get their way. And even though I'm grown now, those were ghosts. Those were ghosts. Those were. I always tell people, my friends, don't have a ghost in your relationship. Don't have your ex's ghost in your relationship that you're in at this time. Okay? Don't do it. Because it'll just hurt your relationship and will hurt you. And what I did